terminal. They got 3 minutes. They're inviting you in. They ain't invited me. Join. What the hell? I ain't playing. What the hell? They forfeit Skid Row. The guy's con win. They've only got 1 minute anyway. They ended it at 50. I was recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Huh? Why don't you invite this other guy? Don't know what he's doing. It's gaming section. Why? What do you mean? I should invite that up, kid. He goes, Skid Row, we just restart. No. What? Wait, I don't know which way. Hold on. Let's do this first. He said we just restart. He's got to start now anyway. It's been 5 minutes and he's got to go terminal. What? Yeah, you got to change password, mate. You do the same one every time. Yeah, well, don't you know the email on it? Don't you know the email? Don't you know the email? We'll do that then. Yeah. They forfeit, mate. 56, yeah. Well, as you can see, like Skid Row forfeit. It's been 6 minutes. Gave them an extra minute just because their mate won't come back online, and they ain't started. It's no show.